In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step explanation for Amazon Associate sign-up process and also how to add tax details and payment methods. So don't skip any part. Okay, first on your PC, open any browser and type Amazon Associates. Search, then open this link. Don't worry, I will give the official link in the description. Make use of that. Yeah. Now here you have to select for which associate program you want to sign up, like US, UK, Australia. Actually you can sign up for all associate programs, but you need to sign up for individually, like separately you need to sign up for Amazon Associate US, like UK, Australia, India. Like that you can sign up for this 19 associate program. For now I sign up for India. Exactly same process for all countries. Here just select the country you want to sign up. Then click on sign up. And here if you already sign up for Amazon.com or .in or UK anything, you simply use that login credentials for Amazon Associates website too. You can also use the same Gmail and password for these 19 countries sign up process too. If you don't have any Amazon account, just create one new Amazon account. Very basic steps. Okay, now I just sign up here. Then enter your email and password. Then click sign in. Then the OTP has been sent to your phone number or email ID. You just need to enter that. Then click sign in. Yeah. Now you entered Amazon Associate sign up window. Here check your home or office address will be automatically fetched. If you want to change that, just change here. Here in default it will be selected to this option. Then here if you are a US person, select yes, otherwise just select no. I just select no. Then click next. Yeah. Here it asks your website link. If you have, just paste your website complete URL. Don't use any link shortener. Just copy paste as it is. If you don't have any website, don't worry. You can use your YouTube channel link or other social media platforms too. It's completely legal, but only one condition. You can use website, blog or YouTube channel link, but minimum it should have some traffic. Approximately 1000 visitors or viewers per month. For now, I just copy my YouTube channel URL. Just go to your YouTube channel, click here, your channel, and copy this whole URL. Then paste it here and click on add. Now it's added. Then click next. And here enter your preferred store ID without space and enter only words and numbers. For example, I type our YouTube channel name Daily Doubts. You can type whatever you preferred, but if you enter your website or YouTube channel name, that's good. Then here type 2-3 line sentence about your YouTube channel or website. Basically it's about what type of content you're making, that's it. Then here select which topic relevant to your niche. I choose computer software technology. You can choose related to your videos. Then I choose others on the secondary topic. Then here select which type of Amazon products you intend to promote. Then what type are your website or mobile app. I choose others, but actually you can choose social media page or groups. And same for secondary option too. Here choose how you drive traffic, either it from paid promotion or emails, SEO. I choose others, but you can choose SEO or social networks. Then here you have to choose how you monetize your website or channel. Here I choose Amazon Associate is the only monetization I use. Same for secondary option 2. Then here choose others. And here you have to choose how much unique visitors you get per month. I choose from 501 to 5000. Here you need to select the reason for joining Amazon Associate program. I select others. Then here select how you hear about Amazon Associates. I choose online search. Then enter this CAPTCHA and agree these terms. Then click on finish. Yeah, now you successfully signed up for Amazon Associates. This is my associate ID. In simple, it's my affiliate tracking ID. Now you are ready to promote products using your affiliate links. And after this you have 6-month time periods. And before this 180 days, at least you have to make 3 sales. Then only you will be permanently joined on Amazon Associate program. Suppose if you didn't make 3 sales on this time period means your current Amazon Associate account was closed. And again you have to freshly apply for Amazon Associate. Your old links was not works. You need to update those all links to your new affiliate links. And before closing your old account, if you make 1 or 2 sales, that commission will be transferred to your bank account. Now let's see how to add your payment and tax information. Just click now. For me it shows in rupees. For you, it shows in your currency. It's a minimum payment threshold. It's $10. Just select this. Then here you have to enter your bank location and bank currency. And here just enter your bank account details. Once you entered, then click submit and continue with tax information. Yeah, now your payment details was added. Finally, let's add tax details. Actually, you can do this process later. For now, I just show you how to do that. Just click current tax status. Only this page will be a little bit different for different countries. You just get an idea. Here choose individual and this is optional so we don't need. Then country citizen will be automatically fetched. And here you have to enter your tax collection account number like PAN, TAN. And these are optional so we don't worry about this. Then here enter your full name. Just enter the name as it is on tax collection IDs like TAN, PAN IDs. That's it. Now you successfully added your tax information. If you mistakenly enter any information on tax details, don't worry, you can apply a fresh tax details here. Yeah, here you can see it's completed. Then finally how to generate our affiliate links. Just go to amazon.com or .in or .uk, anything. Then sign up to your associate account. Then search the products you want to promote. For example, I choose this one. Then open that. Then here you can get this product affiliate link. Just click text. And here you can see your store ID and tracking ID. Make sure it's correctly fetched. Then just copy this short link if you promote products on YouTube or other social media platforms. And for website or blog, copy this full link. And you just need to copy and paste it on your video description or your website page. That's it. Finally, I will leave the Amazon service free trial link on the description. Make use of that. That's it for now. And I hope I will clearly explain everything you need to know. If you feel yes it is, then leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.